In this video, we'll delve into the transformative capabilities of Quillbot AI's Paraphraser and outline some of the most efficient strategies for harnessing its power to save you time, eliminate the risk of plagiarism, and craft truly remarkable content. Welcome to TechTuned, your AI-focused YouTube channel, where we unravel the latest trends and provide insightful tutorials on the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. So let's get started. Among all the AI paraphrasing tools available, Quillbot stands out as the most widely embraced and user-friendly choice. The process couldn't be more straightforward. A quick visit to Quillbot's homepage, a paste of your content, a simple click on Paraphrase, and in the blink of an eye, you'll be greeted with a completely refreshed composition. What's more, it's not just efficient, it's also cost-free for texts up to 200 words, making it the ideal solution for all your general paraphrasing and rewriting needs, without the necessity of signing up. Unlocking the potential of Quillbot is a straightforward process. Whether you're a first-time user or an experienced writer, follow this step-by-step guide to utilize its power effectively. Step 1. Signing up for Quillbot. Visit the Quillbot website, click on the Sign Up or Create Account option, fill in your personal details and create an account. Verify your email address to activate your account. With your account created, you're ready to transform your writing with Quillbot. Step 2. Input your text. Access your Quillbot account. On the main interface, you'll find a text box. Enter or paste the text you wish to paraphrase. Quillbot is now prepared to work its magic on your text. Step 3. Choose paraphrasing options. Below the text input box, you'll find a range of options to customize your paraphrasing. Select the desired paraphrasing mode, such as Standard, Fluency, or Creative. Want to sound smart like an academic or a lawyer? Use the Academic mode. Want to be understood by everyone? Try Simple. Use Expand mode to turn your short essay into a longer one. After choosing the mode, choose your target language if needed. You can also adjust the thesaurus level to control synonym substitution. Step 4. Hit the Paraphrase button, and Quillbot will instantly begin rephrasing your text based on your selected options. Why use Quillbot's Paraphraser tool? When harnessed to its full potential, a paraphraser can serve as a catalyst for amplifying your creativity, enabling you to produce more content in less time, and even sparking a surge of fresh ideas. Now let's look at specific and powerful ways the Quillbot Paraphraser can serve you. Number 1. Improve your storytelling and writing skills by using Quillbot to effortlessly generate diverse content iterations without spending excessive time perfecting individual paragraphs or scenes. Number 2. Overcome the challenges of plagiarism by transforming your writing into a distinctive composition, even when diligently referencing sources, as Quillbot helps create alternative versions quickly. Number 3. Overcome writer's block by using Quillbot's paraphrasing tool to generate rudimentary drafts, even when lacking ideas, allowing artificial intelligence to produce 1 or 2 versions that serve as a catalyst for your writing. Number 4. Understand complex topics easily by using Quillbot to rephrase, condense, and simplify complicated texts, gaining a deeper comprehension of the subject matter and unlocking valuable insights for crafting outstanding research papers, leadership posts, and securing higher grades. Number 5. Quillbot offers translation in 45 languages and paraphrasing proficiency in 27 languages, bridging linguistic gaps and enhancing communication with international team members or customers. Number 6. Improve marketing copy by collaborating with Quillbot, facilitating skillful rephrasing of content and smooth execution of A/B tests on elements like calls to action and headlines, significantly influencing user experience, UX for example, and conversion rates on web pages. That's all for today, but as we conclude this tutorial, we'd like to hear from you. Have you had the chance to use Quillbot before? If so, what are your thoughts and experiences with it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any videos from us. Thanks for watching.